Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the best affiliate marketing ever which you can earn money through the affiliate marketing at Twitter. If you have Jabiju or Clickbank or any account, then I think it will be the best performance for you. Here a lot of products. Just research your product and you will promotion your product at the Twitter, Facebook and everywhere. So my technique is for today. I will I will apply the I will choose a Javisu product and promotion at the Twitter. So let's get started and hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. So first you have to go at the javisu.com. Let me show you. Name is Javisu. I think you have account at the Javisu, or if you have Clickbank, no problem. All are okay. So at the time we can go at Twitter. I think everyone know about the Twitter. Just create your account at Twitter, like business account or personal account, whichever you want. Just create one account and setting up everything here and follow the specific niche. So let me choose one product from here. It's my Javijo account. Here I can choose a product on my affiliate dashboard. Always choose high converted product, okay? You will get more sales. Always choose high converted products. You will convert more because of your customer always there at the Twitter. Twitter has a lot of perfect customer here. Okay, so this my product, and you see that I already approved. I got already approved. So where you will get it affiliate link, just go to this right side. Here you see the link. Just go to here, get link, and copy from here. Okay, then go to Twitter account and just write here which product is related to you. Just write here. My product is related to the big check reloaded. Its name is. So let me written the big check reloaded. Name is big check reloaded. Okay. And you can write here that it's a specific description which will customer will get high converted. So you have to convert your affiliate link in shortly, because if you press here your full affiliate link, I think your account will be banned. So always convert a short link, okay? Always convert your link at the shortener. So you already seen its name is Cartly. Here I do the short. After approved shortener, we just copy from here and go to my affiliate. Go to my Twitter account. Here you have to press like click here for your bonus. Just type. You have to always attracting the customer, and they will click your affiliate link. So always do that. Widget. It's I know it's very branded name, so I don't have to write anything. If you know everything about the widget or any product, just write here everything. Because of if you write more, then you convert it the high, and you will get a lot of customers. So let me put here some hashtag. Hashtag will reach very perfectly. Let me put here. It's video editing. Make money. Okay. So this time you have to put here a lot of hashtag, because of your convert you will get more customers. So and you can add the pictures also. Okay. If you add the pictures, then it will be more valuable. So following my video, just daily 5 to 6 post at Twitter on any social media like that, like this way. If you have 5 or more accounts and at the Twitter, it will be the better. I think you get a lot of sales from your Twitter account if you have a customer, or if you can go like me. So I think this video is very helpful for you. Just follow my method and always try to do. You get more sales. Okay. And if you have any affiliate network or CPA network, just try this method. So for today, thank you very much for watching my video.